Today I am reviewing the ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this laptop for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV 27-inch WQHD monitor is a powerhouse designed specifically for professionals who demand exceptional color accuracy, premium build quality, and a wide range of connectivity options. Whether you're a photo editor, graphic designer, video creator, or just someone who values precision and consistency in their display, the PA278QV delivers an outstanding experience in 2025. With its 2560 by 1440 WQHD resolution on an IPS panel, the screen offers sharp detail and vibrant, true-to-life colors thanks to its factory-calibrated 100% sRGB and 100% Rec. .709 color gamut with delta in less than 2. What truly sets it apart is the Calman Verified color accuracy, which ensures what you see on the screen matches what comes out in print or render. This level of reliability is critical for creative workflows where color consistency is everything. The monitor also includes ASUS's exclusive ProArt presets and ProArt palette, which give professionals enhanced control over color parameters like gamma, hue, and temperature, allowing for a fully personalized setup. From a design standpoint, the PA278QV is built with ergonomics in mind, offering full tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustment capabilities, making it ideal for long editing sessions without causing fatigue. The anti-glare, matte finish helps reduce eye strain, even in brightly lit environments. In terms of connectivity, ASUS has included everything you could need: DisplayPort, mini DisplayPort, HDMI, dual-link DVD, audio in and out, and 4 USB 3.0 ports, making it an incredibly versatile monitor for multi-device setups. Compared to other monitors in its class in 2025, it still holds its own thanks to its price-to-performance ratio, precision engineering, and strong community reputation among creative professionals. While it doesn't aim to be a gaming monitor, its 75Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync support do offer smoother performance than standard 60Hz displays, making it suitable for light gaming or animation playback. With all these features packed into one elegant device, it's no wonder the ASUS ProArt PA278QV continues to be one of the top-rated monitors for artists, editors, and designers in 2025. If you're on the verge of making a decision and want a monitor that gets out of the way so you can focus on creating, this is it. Another standout feature of the ASUS ProArt PA278QV in 2025 is its intuitive on-screen display and user-friendly navigation. ASUS has equipped this monitor with a 5-way navigation joystick on the back panel, allowing creators to quickly access and toggle between different color presets, input sources, and display settings without digging through complex menus. This may seem like a small convenience, but for professionals who switch between color spaces or workflows throughout the day, like moving from web design to print to video, it saves valuable time and reduces workflow friction. The inclusion of ASUS's iCare technology, which includes TV Rhineland certified flicker-free backlighting and a blue light filter, is another nod to professionals who spend 8 to 12 hours a day staring at screens. It not only helps reduce eye fatigue, but also protects long-term visual health, which is especially important in a 2025 work-from-home and hybrid working era, where many creatives are glued to their setups for extended hours. In practical use, the ASUS ProArt PA278QV performs exceptionally well across various creative platforms, such as Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and even CAD programs. The rich color reproduction ensures every detail in an image is visible, and the deep 16:9 aspect ratio with WQHD resolution offers more vertical workspace than a standard 1080p display. This added screen real estate becomes a huge asset for multitasking, allowing you to stack editing tools, timelines, and browser tabs side by side without compromising visibility. Unlike many consumer-grade monitors, the PA278QV doesn't oversaturate or artificially boost color vibrancy. Instead, it delivers faithful and calibrated output, making it ideal for professionals who work in color-managed environments or need to adhere to client-specific standards. In side-by-side comparisons with other 27-inch displays at a similar price point, the ProArt consistently wins out on color accuracy, build quality, and ergonomics, 3 pillars that truly matter in the long run.